Good morning everyone, it's Vlad's boredom, and guess where I am? That's right guys, I'm again in Belgrade. It's now Thursday, the 4th of April, and in around half an hour I'm going to the dentist, and afterwards I'm going to show you the city again. Good afternoon everyone. Have a look how many people are here compared to January and November. It is a very beautiful April day. It's very warm. I'm probably the only one who is wearing a thick jacket. Well, actually there are a lot more people as well because the weather is really weird, but it is so beautiful and I really like it right now. And what I did before was I went to the scan center because I needed to do a 3D scan. And the thing is with the 3D scan is that I needed to pay 4,500 dinars for it, which is around a little bit less than 40 euros. And that was pretty lame because I had to go to another part of the city. I needed to get a cab. I ordered one with the Yandex taxi app. If you want it, I put it down in the description. I'm not making any advertising for it, but the app is in English and you can order easily a taxi and you can pay it in cash or in card, the way how you like it best. So I'm going now back to the dentist because I want to give him the CD with the scan, and then I have the next appointment on Monday, and until then I can do whatever I want here in Belgrade. But I can tell you one thing, I'm not going to remain only in Belgrade, I will go and visit some other places, but since it's me, Vlad's boredom, I'm not going to tell you where we're going exactly, so you will be surprised. Be prepared for that.
After the obligatory walk through the Knez Mihailova street in the city center, I had the idea to take the car and leave the city. The motorway was overall pretty empty, compared to the ones we have here in Switzerland. Driving past some blocks, we ended up somewhere in the woods where a one-way road went all the way up on a mountain.
So, guess where I am? I'm here at the place, yeah, where loud motorbikes are going. It looks pretty lovely here, it's outside of the city and it is very windy, but if you want to see where I am, be prepared, you're going to be prepared for it, you're definitely going to love it.
I know, I'm playing happy music and on the screen you see excavators removing remains of the old structure which was there. Yeah guys, this is the Avala TV Tower. It is situated south of the city and is easiest reachable by car, or if you can't rent one, take a cab, although that might be a bit pricey. The price for entering the tower was 300 dinars for adults. More info is included in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Now let's enjoy the view from 122 meters height and read some interesting facts about the tower. When we finished the visit, we ended up for the first time in the very first Serbian IKEA, where we had our dinner and ate some nice hot dogs for just 50 dinars per piece. What a bargain!
Good morning everyone, it is 11 AM. I'm going to leave very soon and I'm going out of the city and you will follow me where I'm going.
Time to hit the road. Serbia is not a really big country, and because there is a good motorway network, most places of interest and big cities are connected. Sometimes the roads can be bumpy, but for almost the whole length you're able to drive 130 km per hour.
Good afternoon, everybody. As you can see, I'm here walking on a sidewalk towards the city center, and it is very, very loud. And for the ones who don't know where I am, I'm in the city of Niš. A few days ago I was back in Belgrade, but now I'm here. I'm really hungry. I need to get something to eat. And afterwards I will go and have a look for some shopping and meet up with a few friends and relatives. Like I want to meet up with some cousins. It will be late for sure. But now I'm going to enjoy the really nice weather, even though here is a lot of shadow, but for me this doesn't matter. I think it is good. It's really nice weather.
Niš has an underground tunnel in the city center with a lot of small shops selling phone accessories, cheap clothes and much more. It is also directly connected to the Forum shopping center, which has some good mid-range clothing shops. Since the weather was so awesome, I wanted to spend more time outside to enjoy it, and I also made my way to another mall. This mall is called Stop Shop and is situated at the eastern end of the city and has mainly low-range stores, but it features also a cinema and a McDonald's, so that you can easily spend a great afternoon or evening there without getting bored.
So right now I'm in front of the apartment building, and as you can see it's up there. I'm waiting for a cab because I'm going to meet up with another cousin of mine, and I met today lots of people, and now actually I want to film with her a little bit around and that we have a great time together. I'm waiting for the cab right now, and yeah, hopefully it will come very soon.
Taxis in Niš are a completely different thing than in Belgrade, because they cost less and feature also mostly brand new cars, with many of them being hybrids, like this Toyota RAV4 for example. No matter where you go in the city, during the day a ride should not cost more than 500 dinars, as the city itself is not enormously huge. In the evening, Niš becomes really pleasant and a lot of people are outside, and the King Milan Square turns into a popular meeting point.
Good evening, my dear ones. As you can see, it is dark now. I had a great evening, but I was not alone. Check out who is also with me. This girl in the middle, this is Mirjana, and the girl on the right, that is Anastasia. Mirjana is a friend of mine, Anastasia is my cousin. Say hello to the camera, guys.
Hello, hello.
So what were we doing tonight?
Having fun?
Yeah.
Having fun with cousins and friends.
Yes, definitely. And we were out for some drinks, and now it's late and we want to go home because tomorrow is another day, and then we're going to meet together again and see what will be. I really can't wait for that.
That was it from my side. Leave me a like, a comment and a sub, follow me on Instagram, join my Discord server, links are in the description, stay tuned and the story is going to be continued. Bye bye.